right, so I want to give you guys a visual of what it looks like when someone claims exempt that they are exempt from having federal withholdings withheld from their income. I have been talking about this issue, and I have come across individuals who say that they go exempt and they just pay their tax bill at the end of the year. Some people say, well, I go exempt for 6 months and then I turn it back on. So, what I want to show is different taxpayers and their different filing requirements and how it affects your whether you get a refund or whether you owe. So, this is going to be the first example where this individual who is single, and these are using real numbers, real income, real tax rates, and real transaction codes. So this individual, he's single. This is for 2024. His income, total income was 206,000. Okay, but his taxable income was $191,281,000. Okay, so based on this income, this is the amount of tax that he should have had withheld throughout the year. Okay, so he had no federal withholding and no estimated tax payments to cover this $38,950 tax that was going to be assessed. All right. He had no refundable credits, meaning no tax credits, no earned income credits, no child tax credits, things like that. So I want to take you through what the transcript looked like. Okay. So when you file your tax return, you're going to have a transaction code TC150. This lets you know that your return was received and it was processed, right? So this $38,950 is his tax liability based on this number. All right, so it says return filed and tax assessed after the standard deduction. So when you, based on his single filing status, you get a standard deduction. And I believe for single, it's about $8,000. For married couple, I believe it's about $24,000. Okay, if you were head of household, it's about $12,000, something like that. So this transaction code TC150, this is the tax that was assessed based on this. This taxable income. So he had no federal withholding. The TC806, and again, these are actual transaction codes that you'll see on your transcripts. No federal withholdings, right? He claimed exempt on his W-4. So as a result of him not having enough federal withholdings and not sending in any quarterly estimated payments, he got hit with a penalty. Transaction code 176, $1,180 is the estimated tax penalty. This is based on this amount, okay? And then he got hit with an interest. So this is the interest based on these amounts.